Okay, so today, as you know, that we have most powerful code competition, and every student has written one code, which I have here, and one by one I will read your code. The student who has written the most powerful code, he or she will be awarded. He or she will get the first prize. So one by one I will read your code. So let's start with the first one, and I will read this code with your name. Very first, this quote is written by Moin Sheikh. If you want to be strong, learn to enjoy being alone. If you want to be strong, learn to be enjoy being alone. You have to clap after every quote. It is written by Noor. Not every man with a heart is understanding. Not every man with ears is a listener. And not everyone with eyes is able to see. Keep your words positive because your words become your behavior. Keep your behavior positive because your behavior become your habits. Okay, this is one quote. Okay, sorry. Keep your thoughts positive because your thoughts become your words. Keep your words positive because your words become your behavior. Keep your behavior positive because your behavior becomes your habit. Keep your habits positive because your habits become your values. And keep your values positive because your values become your destiny. Very good. Mumin Zoya. The quote is written by Jim Carrey. My focus is to forget the pain of life. Forget the pain of life, mock the pain, reduce it and laugh. But the quote which I liked most, which was, see, every quote was powerful, but as the competition name is most powerful quote. So the quote which really touched my heart, which was really amazing, beautiful, and which taught us something, और वो एक कोट में बहुत सारी चीज़ें कवर हो गई, बहुत सारी चीज़ें आ गई. So I would like to choose that quote which really deserve prize, and this prize goes to. So I have one quote which I really liked very much, and this quote will be awarded first prize. And I would like to read this quote, and I would like to tell you why I chose this quote, because as I said, everything he or she covers in this quote. Keep your thoughts positive because your thoughts become your words. Keep your words positive because your words become your behavior. Thought से words आएंगे, words से behavior बनेगा, right? Because your words become your behavior. Keep your behavior positive because your behavior become your habits. Behavior से habit बनेगी. Keep your habits positive because your habits become your values. Habits से ही आपकी values बनेगी. Keep your values positive because your values become your destiny. आपकी values ही आपकी destiny बनेगी, आपकी जो किस्मत बनेगी. और ये सारी चीज़ें, सब चीज़ें एक ही कोट में, बहुत अच्छा ये कोट है, इसमें सारी चीज़ें कवर होगी. His name is unexpected, totally unexpected. Momin Umar Saqib. Clap for him. He is also surprised. Congratulations. किसने लिखा है? Momin Ramsha Asif. When you focus on your problems, you will have more problems, and when you focus on your possibilities, you will have more opportunities. Unknown. Next, which is Khan Anam. If you are searching for that person who will change your life, take a look in the mirror. Sandeep Maheshwari. Next. ये तो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लग रहा है डॉक्टर का. अंसारी आमिना रियाज अहमद. The best teachers are those who show you where to look but don't tell you what to see. They may forget what you said, but they will not forget how you made them feel. Sari Samrin. Early success is a scam. Great things take time. Early success is a scam. Great things take time. Good one. Momin Munishfa Ahmad Nasir. A meaningful life is not about being rich, being popular, being highly educated, or being perfect. It is about being real, being humble, being strong, and being able to share ourselves and touch the lives of other. Unknown. By Mansoori Sahil. Fix yourself first before trying to fix everything around you. Go on. Pathan Shehbaz. Everything is easy if you are crazy. Nothing will be easy if you are lazy. Everything is easy if you are crazy. Nothing will be easy if you are lazy. ये आपका ही थॉट लग रहा है मुझे तो. अंसारी बिलाल. What one thing is right is not always the same as what others think is right. No one can be always right. Then what is right? Time to announce prize winner's name, who will get the trophy of most powerful quote award. And before that, I would like to tell you what surprise I have for you. Actually, I have got some small size pocket size diaries which I would like to give each and every student. तो जो आज की एक्टिविटी थी है ना, जहाँ पर आपको कोट लिखना था, सो आई जस्ट वांट यू टू राइट वन कोट एवरी डे इन दैट डायरी विच आई विल गिव यू आफ्टर द लेक्चर. तो आपको हर दिन उस डायरी में एक कोट लिखना है, एंड आई विल राइट योर नेम, आई विल साइन, एंड देन आफ्टर आई विल गिव यू दैट बुक. इट्स अ स्मॉल साइज डायरी बट यू कैन कंटिन्यू इट. आप उसको कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं. देयर आर 70 pages I think. After completing this diary you can purchase one more. So this gift you will get with that chocolate. Now time to announce prize winner's name, and who will be the winner according to you. Can you guess? Any guesses? See, every quote was good as I said, but one was very different and different from others, and I really liked that quote very much because it was a very nice quote, and I liked the thing which the writer has mentioned in this quote. I don't know who has written it. Was written unknown there, but it is really amazing quote, and the award goes to the most powerful quote. Award goes to a girl or a boy whose name is any guesses? Pathan Shehbaz. Clap for him.